Good morning. Looks like it's going to be a lovely day. Here we are at York, Rowntree Park. Here we are at York, Rowntree Park. To stay in the middle of a town, it's quite a sight. I had a lovely night's sleep. Right, it's the obligatory dog walk. There's Harry's behind me. This is the highest point in the site because the site's known to flood. So behind me is where we're coming yesterday, which is the exit gate. Right, we'll have a little walk. Those are the emergency escape gates when it starts to flood, but they're having to use that as the entrance because they're doing some work on the main road that leads in. A little place there, looks like a dead end. Looks like it's going to be a nice sunrise as well. Here we are on plot 68, or pitch, here we are on pitch 68. Walk straight down, you've got your toilet block facility and your reception. This is all up in the air as well, be about 3 foot for flooding as well. So as you can see, that's the toilet facilities, etc., washing facilities, and your reception, which I said is all built to allow for water to flood the area. The River Ouse is just other side of that edge. This should be the entrance you use normally. And this is the normal entrance road, but the environment were doing some drilling holes, etc. yesterday. I think you're doing it all week, so you're having to come through that back gate. Right, I think this leads down to Rowntree Park. I believe that there has been a bit of flooding around this area because it's quite wet and boggy in places. So I don't know whether the River Ouse has been a bit high and come over its banks. I'm not sure. Right, and here we are, the River Ouse. So today, Karen and I will be exploring York. It's a few years since we've been, and we're here till Sunday. So hopefully the weather stays nice. Well, I think we're a bit early. It's about 7 o'clock. Flat at the park and the car park isn't open yet, so I can't go in the park with the dog. So we'll just wander back up towards the site again. Can't go in, Tessie's locked. I don't know what time it opens, he says it closes at 6 PM. Right. Time for you to have some food, is it? Beautiful morning. It's the obligatory sign, I don't think they ever take that in. Site full. So when you supposedly drive in, you pull up to here. It allows other people who's already on site to go through that barrier. So you'd stop here and book in. And it's a one-way system round. So you've got ramp for disabled and that. We need to go to the toilet facilities and pot washing. There's little cut-throughs to each side to get it easier to get to the facilities. You follow the row round. Is your leg aching a bit now, Tess? You're slowing down. So you go straight on up to a little cul-de-sac area. As you drive round side, you have to go round this way. Which brings you round to where we're pitched. So this road goes all the way round, past that new hotel they're building, and then it fetches you down that way, which is now your exit during the day while they're doing that work on that main road. So that's your entry and exit. And here we are, back at Irish. Right. We'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.